Morning you guys, it's Karen and I'm here to do a pretty quick review on this. This is the Voloom that I have seen kind of all over social media and it kept popping up in my suggestions on Amazon and whatnot, so I thought I would buy it. I used something very similar years ago and it was the Babulous Root Crimper, and so I thought I might also be able to find one that you can buy that isn't as expensive as this, because this was £118, which is just ridiculous. I have found something similar. It's not the Babulous one, but yeah, let me first tell you about this. So the idea of this is that you take a bit of your hair and you just use this very quickly at the roots, like so. Once it's heated up, it's like a hot iron, and it gives you volume. And I have to say, it does really work. I had watched a review of this by Raw Beauty Christy, and so she's, you know, I really believe in her reviews, if you like. She had said that the volume lasted all day. She didn't use any product. I did actually use a little bit of product. On this side, I used product when I did the first bottom bit, and then I thought, actually, let me do it without product. So there's only a little bit of product on this side. And then I did use product on this side when I was doing it. My concern was that you would see the sort of crimped bits at the base of the hair, but you can't. They do seem to be hidden. I don't know how, I was going to say, I don't know how well that would work on finer hair, but Christy, I think, has got quite sort of fine, thinnish hair. So definitely watch that review as well for a different hair type, you know, because my hair's quite thick anyway. So yeah, I just tried this out today, and so I will put the footage in now of me trying this out for the first time. Okay, so this is my hair just without it, you know, styled or anything. I haven't straightened it, I've just washed it. I have no volume stuff in it. So I'm going to try it like this. So let's get a bit to try it on. I've only got it on 105 degrees, so it's not too hot. And apparently you just have to go one. And what I'm going to do, actually that feels like it might need to be a bit hotter. 115 seems to be the highest it goes, but I'm then going to spray it with this Style on Steroids texture and finishing spray, which I suppose might be a bit cheaty, but I would always put some kind of spray in to hold it, you know. So one. Actually, will I do the rest without any spray and see how we get on? One. Let's put that over. The concern I had with this was that it makes a kind of wave in your hair, you know, like that. Because I have used something like this before. If it's still available on Amazon, I'll link it for you, because it's probably cheaper than this, and it's a lot smaller. But the problem with it was it used to make, you know, let your hair look kind of frizzy. So that's it. I only put spray on that bottom one. Let me see. A little bit of spray there. Yeah, definitely works, doesn't it? And I can't see any of the, you know, I don't want to see those sort of crimped bits, if you know what I mean. Let's try on this side. This is my heaviest side because of my parting. And I will spray this side, I think. I think the closer to your head you get it, the better. Yeah, you can see as soon as you do it, it does stick up, you know, look. That's sticking up from my head, whereas it wasn't before. One. Yeah, you can see instantly what it does, can't you? That's definitely given some volume, hasn't it? See, the thing is, like, I'd really like to get some volume here, but I feel like you're just going to see the imprint of that thing if I did it here, you know? Let's see how much it shows, shall we? Just do one. Actually, that's not too bad, is it? It's kind of lifted my fringe up a bit. Yeah, I like that. Now I'll see how long that lasts. My crazy looking hair, I would normally like put my fringe up like this, as you know. It's definitely given it volume, hasn't it? So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. The result is pretty good. I just think it's a lot of money for this. I think that £120 is way too much, you know. I don't think it needs to be that expensive. This is quite small, I have to say, smaller than I was expecting. It looked a bit chunkier when I was watching it being reviewed. I think there are different types actually, but I only found the one type on Amazon. But like I said, I did find another one, but I haven't tried the other one, but I did find it. It's called Tony & Guy Hello Day Secret Volumizing Crimper, and it's £26.99. So that's obviously, you know, less than a quarter of the price. And it does have, looks like 211 ratings and a total of 4.5 out of 5 stars. So yeah, it looks like it's got really good reviews. And let me see what the bad reviews say. I don't know whether you're the same, but if I see something with some bad reviews, I always look at the bad reviews first to see what it says. I don't know why that is. If you like the frizzy and wavy frizzy effect, this is your product. Yeah, it's kind of the thing I was saying about this. Actually, it does crimp your hair, and so you may see a little bit of sort of crimpy looking hair at the bottom. And mine's pretty covered up, but you could see, for example, there, you could see it. You know, you can't really do it on the top layer of hair unless you like that effect. Good for the price is the next one. Comes with an English plug, fair enough. The plates are rather small in size. Heats reasonably fast. Having so little surface, it takes a long time to get your hair done completely. Yeah, somebody else saying that it makes the hair very straw-like, you know, like crimped. Again, it just clearly, if you don't like that crimped thing, then it's not for you. And it is a crimper. It says it's a volumizing crimper. Let me see what the reviews of the volume are on here on Amazon. So there's 52 ratings. They're claiming Voloom, because somebody's asked the question, this is so expensive, what makes the difference? And they are answering that there's products out there that don't deliver. This delivers, and it has scientifically engineered plates specifically to create lasting volume and structure without leaving a clear pattern in the hair. I have to say, it does leave a pattern. I can see the pattern there. Maybe it's not as much as the other one, you know. So let's see what the downsides are. Somebody said it stopped working after one use. Somebody said broken after 7 months. Somebody said they used it 4 times and it stopped working. Let's see the 2 stars reviews. There's no reviews. Don't get that one. It says 2-star reviews. So it's mostly good reviews on this, actually. Amazing hair tool, delivers on its promise. Brilliant. Say goodbye to brittle hairspray. Pricey but works wonders. Amazing. Actually really good, life-changing. My hair is quite thin and flat. This adds fantastic volume. It does seem to be that this one's got pretty good reviews. But like I said, that Tony & Guy one is £26.99, and it also has mostly good reviews. So it just depends where your budget is at, and if you want to risk trying the Tony and Guy one. I wish I'd have ordered it actually and maybe compared the two, but yeah, that would really be. I'm trying to not be quite as wasteful, if you like, and I hope that I will use this, you know, in the future. Because it is an extra step, isn't it? It is like, okay, I've done my hair, now I need to do another step with a tool to get it volume. But if this lasts, then I'll be happy. And looking at the review video by Raw Beauty Christie, it certainly lasted in her hair, so I hope that it will last in mine. And actually, it's lasted longer, even just now, throughout this video, than it would normally do, because what I normally do is I take a brush and I back comb a little bit under here and spray it, and even then I'm constantly doing this throughout the video, you know, and trying to sort of poof it up a bit, whereas I feel like this has stayed, looking in the viewfinder, it's stayed kind of a bit volumized. So so far so good. So I think I like this. I'll link both of the options for you. If you've tried the Toni and Guy one, let us know. I didn't keep the Babyless root crimper one because I never used it, and like I said, it really did leave quite a lot of crimping. I do feel, like I said, there is a pattern from this, but maybe not quite as much. So that's why I didn't keep the Babyless one. I just never ever used it, and it was quite slow to heat up, whereas this is a bit faster. But yeah, that's everything today. I did promise a quick review. I don't know whether it was quick or not, but let me tell you my makeup. I've got on the Ordinary Coverage Foundation in 1.2N. On my eyes is the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. On my cheeks is the, what is she called? Flower Beauty blush in Sweet Tea, I think it is. And I've just got lip gloss on. This is the Morphe Madison Beer lip gloss in Saturn. That's everything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon.